Hello traders, welcome to a new video at Easy Trading channel. In this video we will see a nice strategy with 3 indicators. Remember to backtest by yourself any strategy before trading with real money. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. These are the indicators that we will use in the strategy. Exponential moving average, alpha trend indicator, normalized smooth MACD. These are the settings for the indicators. First indicator is a 200-period exponential moving average. If price is above this EMA, we only take long positions, and if price is below the EMA, we only take short positions. Alpha trend indicator gives us the main signal to enter the market. Buy label for longs and sell label for shorts. Go to tab inputs and change the multiplier value to 1.5. Now, go to tab style and uncheck plots background. Finally, we need the normalized smooth MACD. It gives us the confirmation to enter the trade. It must be green for long positions and red for short positions. We have to change the smoothing period to 25 and the normalization period to 25. These are the rules for a long position. First, price must be above the 200-period EMA. Second, we need a buy label in alpha trend indicator. Third, normalized smooth MACD must be green. Finally, we place a buy order at the close of the candle. Then, we can place a stop loss order at the line of the alpha trend indicator. The take profit order will be set at 2 times the risk. The rules for a short position are the opposite. First, price must be below the 200-period EMA. Second, we need a sell label in alpha trend indicator. Third, normalized smooth MACD must be red. Finally, we place a sell order at the close of the candle. Then, we can place a stop loss order at the line of the alpha trend indicator. The take profit order will be set at 2 times the risk. That's all guys, I hope you liked the video. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.